Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for coming today to watch my video. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how you can fill your burger bread without using much ingredients. Let's get started. Here I already have my burger bread. I have a video or videos of how to make burger bread in my channel. Sorry about that biting mouth. I just sliced my bread. I'm going to toast it a bit. I'll just put the frying pan on the stove and place my sliced bread on it and just lightly toast it. And here we have it toasted. And here are the ingredients I'll be using: some sliced cucumber, coleslaw, and the hard-boiled egg which I sliced. Next, I will go ahead and fill in the sliced burger, starting with the coleslaw. You can also call this salad. Next, I'll place my hard-boiled eggs on them. But if you have burger chicken or burger meat, you can use that in place of the eggs. And here we have our simple but delicious burger. You can enjoy this with a cup of water, a cup of tea, coffee, juice, anything or drink of choice. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.